Ferdinand School's 2021 Catholic Schools Week Open House. This year it's virtual. I'm Principal Erin Boyle-Felito and I am thrilled to have you come into our school and see what we're all about. All right, normally, if this were a school day, the halls would be filled with our happy, very happy students. Not only are they happy, but they are also very engaged in the basics of reading, writing, and arithmetic, complemented by our 1-to-1 technology ratio. Younger grades have iPads 1-to-1, older grades use Chromebooks. This is amazing for enhancing our curriculum. Of course, permeating over everything is the religious aspect. We are a Catholic school, we follow Catholic mission, the children have religion classes every day, taught by a sister, and of course, we have all school mass on Fridays, in which the kids take active roles in the ministry. All this provides an ambiance that permeates our whole school every day. Also, this school is quaint enough that every teacher and every staff member knows the names of every child here. So what a way to grow up. When you enter in preschool through 8th grade, we definitely know who you are and we care. St. Ferdinand School has had a wonderful beginning and opening of the 2020-21 school year. This was because of a partnership of the Archdiocese of Chicago, who set out many rules and constantly reevaluates safety protocol for learning during a pandemic, followed by a great partnership here at St. Ferdinand between our wonderful maintenance people who keep this building spick and span and germ-free, and a partnership with teachers, staff, parents, and students. We follow strict mask protocol, cleaning protocol, and above all this, if students aren't feeling well or need to stay home, we offer concurrent Zoom learning and in-person learning. So that means not only are our amazing teachers teaching all day with the kids that are here, safely distanced, but they also are always live via Zoom so that all the kids that are at home can continue to learn as well. This has made the year very successful. What you're about to see is our literacy fair. Every year for Catholic Schools Week Open House, we decide on a theme. This year it was for every homeroom, every grade level, to pick a literary genre and really discover it. Not only read books from that genre, but also do projects based on it across the curriculum. Reading, writing, social studies, and even technology. As a matter of fact, a lot of the video that you're about to see was filmed by our very own 8th graders, class of 2021 in their technology class. I hope you enjoy what you're about to see, and I'll touch base with you again as soon as your tour is over. Come on, join me through the hallways of St. Ferdinand School.
We learned about right.
Jack be nimble, Humpty Dumpty. It's rhyme time with preschool. And of course, Hickory Dickory Dock. Kindergarten discovered the world of the genre of fantasy, and particularly dragons. Did you know that dragons like tacos? poems and story elements, character analysis. Oh my, what a lot of good work about fairy tales such as The Three Little Pigs, presented by first grade.
Here are our realistic fiction stories.
Story maps and webbing of brainstorms of realistic versus unrealistic characteristics in stories, and even some Venn diagrams comparing and contrasting information in realistic books. Awesome.
Hi, we're third graders and these are our autobiographies.
Third grade learned about awesome autobiographies. They wrote their own.
Fourth grade learned about historical fiction. Fifth grade learned about biographies. Sixth grade read informational books. We learned about strong voices. I learned about facts about dolphins. Your child could learn a lot at St. Ferdinand School.
Seventh grade studied the genre of mystery.
This is the best and first mystery book I've ever read.
You can scan the QR code to find more.
Come visit St. Ferdinand soon.
Eighth grade learned about the wonders of sci-fi.
Welcome back from your virtual tour of our literacy fair for Catholic Schools Week Open House 2021. Now, this was just a taste of what St. Ferdinand has to offer. A glimpse at a 1-month unit of all that we could do and the atmosphere of the school. If you'd like to find out more about St. Ferdinand School, we would be thrilled to have you come for a personalized tour. We can arrange tours anytime before 7:30 a.m., after 3 o'clock, and even early evenings. The next slide will give you information about how to keep in touch with us, including access to our website and our Facebook page for the latest updates on all the great things going on at St. Ferdinand School. Thank you for joining us today, and I look forward to meeting you in person and welcoming you to the St. Ferdinand School family next school year.